Hello friends, I am Vishal Tiwari from IT department of St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Today we will be going through the labs using Labster simulation. Here we will look how we can bring our students back to our labs. Due to this COVID-19, we cannot imagine our students coming into the lab and performing the required practicals. So, with the help of this Labster simulation, we will be in position to make our students go through all the things that we are supposed to do. So, without wasting much of a time, we will start with the demonstration. For starting demonstration, we need to open a browser and there we will type labster.com. Once we are done with it, we will see a web page loaded on screen. Here, first we will go through the home page of Labster, where different resources, how we can make use of virtual labs, how they have prepared based on the different classes, and some of the different other resource based informations are provided on this page. Next thing I would like to share with you is the simulation. In this tab they have given us different options. Let's say we are interested in going for a chemistry practical. So I will click on this select section where I can see multiple options like biology, chemistry, engineering, medicine and physics. So I will opt for chemistry. In chemistry we have different types of options available with me, like high school chemistry, introduction to chemistry, organic biological chemistry, general chemistry 1 and 2. So based on my class, so I am looking for the high school chemistry, so I will click on high school chemistry itself. Once I done with it, these are the different practicals that are covered, like acid and bases, atomic structure, and once you go into depth, you will see number of different practicals, simulations are available, and students will have to perform this at their own using some or the other system, that is computer or laptop. The only thing that students will requiring is they need internet and computer or a laptop for it. Then we will see the pricing of the particular thing. Here once we click on it, you can see that there are these two options available. At institute level, being a G Suite partner, we can directly integrate a particular virtual lab simulation in our LMS, that is Google Classroom 2. That option is also available. When I went and asked for the quotation from the particular Labster person, they have given me for 300 students, it is asking for around 500 rupees per student. So it is reasonable amount as far as I look at it, because the type of knowledge students will gain after going through these practicals is altogether a very at different level. So now I will directly go to the lab which we want to perform. So now we will start with our labs. Now once we are done with the process, it asks for the clicking on the link where our lab is getting prepared. So here you can see that number of instructions are being forwarded to us through which we can go through, and once the lab is ready, the entire virtualization of entire thing will be there. Here it starts from the dress code to the implementation of the labs. So it is one of the most fruitful virtualized simulation available to us. I would say that everybody should at least try for this type of virtualization lab where students can actually get the feel how the labs are all about. So it is almost done. Now our lab will be ready and we will be proceeding with the small demonstration of particular subject. And here the best thing that you can observe is most of the time there are some scenario based learning which we will learn some or the other thing. So let's start with the lab. Once I click on the lab,
Welcome
the
to the
screen
lab
will
safety simulation.
look like this.
In the next 30 minutes you will learn everything you need to know in order to survive your first day in the lab. Are you ready for the challenge? This simulation uses voiceovers. If you don't have audio, click the speaker symbol on the top right of your lab pad to switch to play mode. If you do,
It says that these are the things. It provides us the normal information regarding how to navigate in the lab, and this tab will always be there throughout our simulation. As I already know the working, so I will not waste much of the time. The first time user can definitely go through the contents and how to operate with the labs. They can proceed with it. So now I will click on next and we will proceed. The first thing here I need to do is I need to dress up properly. So I will go to the simulation. I will click on it. Here I can see coat and glass. So we will click on it and definitely it indicates that we have weared the particular elements. Next I will shut the door and proceed for the entrance. The first step of my lab is done. Next thing I will be doing is I need to identify hazardous thing. It is first year chemistry practical lab. So I will have to identify which are those. So yes, these are the vessels. This is the first thing. At every step it is going to tell me something or the other. It is dangerous gas here, so we need to close down this so that we can breathe. These type of things shall not be here at emergency exit door. So what I will do is I will remove this from the place. Now it is clear. So we have identified some of the hazardous things available. This is In this part, we will stop here now. In next part, we will be going to the lab position in this virtualization. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can ask on the email ID given on your screen.